There's a lot of talk of economy and energy savings these days, and there's little question that American drivers are moving to efficiently sized cars in 1978 and in years to come. They'll be moving down in size, that is, but not in the levels of comfort, style, quality, and performance to which they have become accustomed in their new cars. This is why American Motors, America's small car expert, has created the 1978 Concord Hatchback and AMX, two very exciting, very special automobiles, wrapped in a sporty, fun-to-drive package. From its bold new grille and rectangular headlamps, to its sloping, fastback roofline and stylish rear panel and tail lamps, Concord Hatchback represents an outstanding balance between sports car style and performance and luxury car appointments and ride. Inside, Concord's personality and character is equally apparent. Stylishly comfortable bucket seats, handsome racing-type sport steering wheel, functional three-pod instrument cluster with wood grain accented control panel and locking glove box, parcel tray located below the instrument panel, padded custom door trim panels, luxurious front and rear cut pile carpeting, which extends over the spacious cargo floor. Concord Hatchback's sports car appeal is reflected in engineering applications as well. Front sway bar for flatter, more stable cornering, big C78 by 14 tires, and powerful, fade-resistant front disc brakes, combined with large rear drum brakes for safer stops in all weather conditions. The hatchback's standard engine is a willing and responsive 232 cubic inch 6, coupled to a smooth shifting 3-speed manual transmission. But for extra performance and driving enjoyment, you can order AMC's powerful 258 cubic inch 6, or a still more responsive and strong 304 V8. And additional transmission choices include a sporty and economical 4-speed with floor shift, or AMC's smooth 3-speed automatic. Concord's standard equipment also includes inside hood release, color-keyed body side scuff moldings, and bright moldings on rocker panels, wheel lip, hood front edge, and roof drip rails for added protection and style. Also standard are the flip-out rear quarter windows, tricolor tail lamps, and protective rear bumper guards, items you have to pay extra for on most other cars in Concord's class. For exciting style and sportiness, AMC offers the '78 Concord Hatchback Sport, which includes such standard features as road gripping DR 78 by 14 steel belted radial tires with optional raised white lettering on slot styled wheels, brushed aluminum instrument panel overlays, 258 CID 6-cylinder engine with 4-speed floor shift, stylish wide rocker panel moldings, racy-looking blacked-out wiper arms, dramatic tape stripes on lower body sides, door panels, and the license plate inset in back. All 1978 Concords have a newly designed suspension system and a much improved sound insulation system for big car riding comfort and quietness, combined with true small car handling and maneuverability. Concord Hatchback's 184-inch overall length is shorter than any competitive model for easier parking and maneuverability in tight places. And Concord's 34.9-foot turning circle is 3 to 4 feet shorter than the competition's to make it even easier to get in and out of those difficult spots. Yet its roomy, space-efficient interior beats the competition in many important dimensions. It has more front and rear hip room and more rear leg room than Nova, more front headroom and rear seat leg and hip room than Volare and Aspen, and more front headroom, front and rear legroom and rear hip room than Granada and Monarch. That's what American Motors calls space-efficient design. And don't forget, Concord Hatchback's spacious rear cargo area, which measures nearly 6 feet in length and holds up to 31.7 cubic feet of cargo with the rear seat down. That's more usable room than Nova's 29 cubic feet or any similar GM compact, any way you slice it. And those are the only other American-built hatchbacks in the compact size class. Not only that, but Concord Hatchback's fold-down rear seat is standard equipment, not optional at extra cost. And that big, wide rear hatch comes with twin pneumatic-supported struts to help you open it with ease and keeps it open while you're loading and unloading. But when it comes to options, the Concord Hatchback model offers the kinds of things you would expect only on a larger, more expensive car. Things like an electric rear window defogger to keep your back window clear in adverse weather conditions, cruise command speed control for convenience and pleasant cross-country driving, a hidden storage compartment under the load floor to keep your valuables out of sight, heavy-duty suspension for super sports car style handling and roadability, AM/FM stereo radio with or without 40-channel CB, air conditioning and tinted glass all around which reflects 45% of the sun's heat, yet allows 75% of the exterior light to enter the passenger cabin. And of course, automatic transmission with floor shift, power steering, and power-assisted brakes for added driving ease and convenience. But American Motors knows there are certain drivers who think of automobiles as instruments of pleasure and statements of individuality, and AMX for 1978 is built for just such people. Styled after the famous IMSA professional GT road racing machines, AMX offers plenty of racing-type appearance and engineering features like a special blacked-out grille and front air dam, fender flares front and rear, rear window louvers, roof band, and the black AMX features special gold accents and striping, blacked-out window trim and headlight bezels, slot-styled road wheels and radial tires with optional raised white lettering, tricolor tail lamps, a 3-pod instrument cluster mounted in a brushed aluminum dash panel, and handsome, soft-feel vinyl bucket seats, a Rally instrument cluster with performance monitoring gauges, an electric tachometer, special custom door trim panels, and a soft-feel racing-type sport steering wheel. Look at it. It's a bold, race-bred statement of automotive enthusiasm. AMX is a spirited sports machine that has the performance, look, and style with a sure-footed stability that makes it feel as good as it looks. The AMX is available with a 258 two-barrel 6-cylinder engine or the powerful and responsive 304 V8. The floor-mounted automatic or 4-speed fully synchro-meshed floor shift is geared for dramatic driving excitement. For those who want the world to know how they feel about fine, precision-built sporting automobiles, the 1978 Concord Hatchback and AMX represent two premium-quality, sporty, and fun-to-drive automobiles from American Motors, America's small car expert. Both are versatile, combining the practicality of a hatchback with the driving excitement and feel of a sports machine. Both offer a high level of interior and exterior appointments and design features at a very affordable price. And both Concord Hatchback and AMX are covered by American Motors' exclusive Buyer Protection Plan, one of the most comprehensive in the business. American Motors Corporation guarantees you that except for tires, it will pay for the repair or replacement of any part it supplies that is defective in material or workmanship for 12 months or 12,000 miles from the date the car is purchased, whichever comes first. All we require is that guaranteed repairs or replacements be made by an American Motors dealer. The Buyer Protection Plan also offers a free loaner car from our dealers if guaranteed repairs take overnight. And there is also special trip interruption protection. Concord Hatchback and AMX, two exciting alternatives to conventional automotive philosophy. Stylish, efficient, versatile, fun to drive, with the luxury Americans want and the size America needs.